In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use a form in Jira Work Management. Whether you're just starting or looking to streamline your workflow, understanding how to efficiently create forms can enhance your project management experience. Let's dive right in by first navigating to your project on Jira. Once you're on the project page, you'll want to turn your attention to the top navigation bar. There you'll find an option labeled Forms. Click on it to begin the form creation process. This is where you can start shaping your form according to your project needs. Next, you'll have a choice to make. You can either select a pre-made template that best suits your requirements or opt for the blank form option if you wish to start from scratch. Selecting a template can save time if you're in a hurry, but creating a unique form can be more aligned to your specific project needs. If your project happens to include multiple work types, at this stage Jira will prompt you to select which type of work item the form will create. This can range from tasks to bugs. Choosing the correct type here is crucial as it determines the type of work item being generated once the form is submitted. Now let's get into customizing your form fields. This is where you tailor the form to gather the specific information you need. You can easily drag and drop to reorder fields, which helps in organizing the structure for better clarity and efficiency in your workflow. Don't forget to edit the labels and descriptions within your form fields, as this customization of text is important for communicating the specific details you want from form users. An important point to consider while setting up your form is the option to make some fields required or optional. By toggling the required option on for certain fields, you ensure that all the necessary information is provided by the form user. As you move along, you might need to introduce additional fields. This is simple, just drag and drop fields from the Fields panel located on the right hand side. And if the standard options don't meet your needs, there's also an option to click Create New Field for something specific. Once you're satisfied with the setup, your form is ready to be shared. This can be done through Jira's URLs, via email, or other communication channels. One of the advantages of using forms in Jira is that when someone submits a form, their responses automatically generate a work item in your project. This seamless integration can drastically reduce administrative work and errors. Finally, managing access to your form is straightforward. You can choose between limited access, where specified individuals are allowed to access the form, or open, which allows broader access. Tailor this setting based on the sensitivity and scope of your project. That's it for today's guide. With these steps, you should be well on your way to efficiently creating and managing forms in Jira Work Management.